If we see the molecule very carefully, C double bond C, this is C double bond O, OCH3, H. They are marking this as A, this is B, this proton is C, and this proton is D. Then how to solve this problem? First, I will show how to quit. We have 4 options. How we'll quit the 2 options? Very simple. Just enjoy it. This is alpha beta unsaturated. Carbonyl compounds. So there we have this kind of charge delocalizations. O minus, OCH3, this is D, this is CH3, H plus, H, this is B, A. Look, the environment of this carbon is electron deficient. That's the most important part here. Electron deficient. So, among these two protons, this B will appear at higher ppm. It will have higher delta value as it is attached to electron deficient. Now we will look on a chart where B has higher delta value than A. Look, here it is telling A has higher and A has higher. So I am quitting these 2 options. These are not, because B have to be higher, because B is attached to electron deficient environment. That's why B have to be higher. That's why I have quitted these 2 options. Next, so I have 2 options left. Here I have to look up to D. Now D basically like a star protons, methyl protons. Methyl protons appears around 3.7 to 3.9 when they are attached to a oxygen ppm. So what we need, just we have to keep in memory these values. CH3, let's say C double bond O, OCH3, mean this star. This methyl appears around this region, 3.7 to around 3.9. Look, in the exam, if I only know this value where methyl proton appear, using these simple things, I am going to take a reason. Okay, now I have 2 options left. Here D, that is for methyl protons, 2.1. So this is not, this is the right one. So but simply in a fraction of seconds, means in almost 30 seconds, we can take the decision. Okay, D is going to the right answer. So using minimum time, we are ensuring maximum marks. That's why this problem is very much interesting. Here we have learned how to quit some option. So when you solve the problem during assignment practice, that will provide you more than 70 questions. That all the questions basically from CS and NET. You will have 4 options. And you will think yourself how to quit the options. You see, using simple chemistry, using simple understanding, you will quit 2 options. Among the rest of the 2, you have to take one decision using your knowledge, and you will easily do that. Okay. So now easily understand. This is the things. For that, what we need to know 2 things. Number 1, this is the things that sees this carbon is electron deficient. That's why this will be higher at higher ppm, and the ppm value of these 2. Using 2 things, that phenomenon on alpha beta unsaturated carbonyl, this phenomenon, they are delocalizing phenomenon, and that's normal ppm values, that where this methyl CH3 appears. This CH3 is going to appear when this is attached to a carbonyl, mean basically star, around 3.7 something, maybe 3.6, 3.9. So keeping these 2 things in mind, we can easily pick up the right options.